In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an amazing text with Capcut. We'll build a clean, glowing animated title that looks professional and is easy to repeat for future projects. You can follow along on either the Capcut web editor or the mobile app. The names of the buttons are the same. Start by opening Capcut and creating a new project. This gives you a fresh timeline and a blank canvas so nothing gets in the way. Right away, set your aspect ratio to 16:9. That's the standard widescreen format for landscape videos, perfect for YouTube, presentations, and most monitors. Locking this in first keeps your text sizing and placement consistent as you design. Now, add your text. Click Text to create a text layer on the canvas. This gives you the basic text controls so you can place your title where you want it. Next, open Text Effects. This is where the magic happens. Head to the glow category and pick a glow effect that fits your vibe, subtle for a clean look or stronger if you want that neon punch. Apply the effect so you can see it directly on your text. Type your message in the text box. Short, punchy wording reads best, especially when effects are involved. Use the on-screen handles to adjust the size and center it. If you want more emphasis, try increasing the font size rather than cramming in extra words. After that, click Glow again to refine it. Most glow effects let you tweak color, intensity, and spread. Aim for enough halo to stand out against your background without washing out the letters. To add motion, open Animations. This controls how your styled text comes to life. Choose a looping option so the effect repeats smoothly across your clip. This helps your title feel dynamic without you manually keyframing anything. Then select the font named Real. It's a strong, modern choice that pairs nicely with glow effects and keeps your letters crisp and legible. If your glow is bright, a bold font like Real prevents thin strokes from disappearing. Give everything a quick review on the timeline. If the glow flickers too fast, extend the duration of the text layer so the loop feels calmer. If the color feels off, nudge it toward a hue that contrasts with your background for maximum readability. And that's it. An eye-catching, glowing animated text in Capcut, ready to elevate your video. Reuse this setup for intros, lower thirds, or chapter titles to keep your style consistent across projects.